I'm Deb Johnson, and I'm the president of the Case Manager Society of America in Detroit, and I'm also the founder of Care Forward Auto Injury Case Management. Having a conversation with my CFO, and I was telling him that we had a cash flow problem. And he said, no, you don't have a cash flow problem, you have a billing problem. And so I started paying attention to our billing. And at that point, I actually met David. And David had a system in which we could bill more regularly and more on time. And what happened to our cash flow in that period of time is it increased by 30%. One of my main concerns is when we went to look at this program is, would it be HIPAA compliant? Could we make sure that our data was safe and only those people that were appropriate to access that data were in fact doing that? And David assured us it was, and since then we've had our IT group come in and double check that the system is in fact safe. And we've actually had our server go down once, and David, the advocate, was completely safe and protected, and it was our server that was at risk. So that really gave us a lot of reassurance that the system itself, which is housed in our office, is in fact HIPAA compliant and safe, even though there might be other problems within our system that might go on around it. My advice to people that are thinking of looking at the system is take a good solid look at this. One of the things we've loved about it is that David has been able to work the system so it works for us. We haven't had to change a lot about our system because he actually put together a system that would work for us in our environment. So the system that's out there now can be adjusted, which is what I loved about it. We didn't have to fit into someone else's system. He could actually create the system in which we could, he fit the system to us. Definitely a positive experience on our return on investment. Return on saving time for my case managers, return on consistency within our reporting system, and the availability for everyone to be able to view what is appropriate for them to view, share clients back and forth, and be able to adapt to the system we have, which is we contract with our case manager, so they're not in-house all the time. They're able to work from their home. They're able to get into the system when they want to get into the system and create their reports at a time that works for them.